Let's talk about the earning cycle. So the earning cycle is a widget we have on EPSMomentum, is trying to explain or paint a story of the stock's earnings and revisions over time. So you have this 4-quadrant visual where you have a turnaround, EPS momentum, growth trap, and neglected. So this is plotting the earning momentum and revision score on 1-2-dimension chart. So in theory, what is happening for a stock is, let's assume there's no real earning momentum, so you would be in that neglected quadrant. Slowly you're improving your operations and making more sales, so your revision score will go higher up. So you would then enter the turnaround quadrant, this quadrant. And as your revision numbers, your estimates revisions are going higher up, your earnings go up. As they go up, more momentum is generated on the earning front. And then you will start to enter the EPS momentum quadrant. Once the momentum slows down, most likely your revision will start going down. Your revision for your quarter will start to head south, and then you would go into the growth trap quadrant. So the growth trap is really you still have a little bit of momentum, but then Wall Street is forecasting that the momentum is going to fade away. And then you would start again and go into the neglected quadrant. So it's kind of a clockwise type of cycle here. So it's not always, it doesn't always happen clockwise. Sometimes it's a little bit messy here and there, going left, right, and up and down. But it's very useful to see where is the stock in these quadrant. So here we have Microsoft, who started in the growth trap, high momentum collapsed, then the revision starts to go up, and possibly it'll go in the EPS momentum. Each bull is 210 days, 150 days, 180 days, 90 days, 60 days, 30 days, and 7 days. So you can follow the story. The green point is the latest point. And I can type any stock in there and see where they are in the quadrant. So SMCI went from no momentum to higher revision score and extremely high momentum, right? Same for NVIDIA or some other micro technology, some other semiconductor. They went from revision improving, and all of a sudden the momentum starts to shoot up. So the interesting thing here is you can go in the screener and look for earning cycle quadrant, this field in EPSM Analytics. Then you would filter here and say, I want all the stocks that are in EPS momentum and turnaround quadrant. That way I filter my 4,000 stocks and only get the ones that I'm interested in. EPS momentum, for example. So I go into similar web. I can filter by market cap if I want. And I'll get XP Inc. or maybe this one, as these guys don't have much history. Expedia Group. There you go. So Expedia Group has been constant good revision score, a little bit less lately, and then the momentum is still increasing. We can see it on the chart as well. So see the earning momentum went from -2, -6, 3, 7, so increasing, right? Maybe it'll slow down, but so I think well, we'll see what happens with the stock. So again, you can go in the screener, filter up, down, or look for stocks that are traps, right, and that you want to avoid. Again, very quick and visually quick visual for detecting stocks that are in the good quadrant, the EPS momentum quadrant. You want both momentum and high revisions, positive revisions of estimates going your way. Thank you for your attention. Any question, you can send us an email to support@EPSMomentum.com. Thank you very much for your attention.